Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, I/O board, system board, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel hinges, display support bracket, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape that adheres the display panel cable to the display enclosure. Disconnect the display panel cable from the two connectors on the webcam board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Place the display panel cable onto the display panel enclosure and connect it to the two connectors on the webcam board. Route the display panel cable through the routing channels on the display enclosure. Replace the retention tape to secure the display panel cable to the display enclosure.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.